Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the word given in the top of each table, match the dictionary definitions on the left A, B, C, D with their corresponding usage on the right E, F, G, H. Out of the 5 possibilities given in the boxes below the table, select the one that has all the definition and their usage closely matched. You can clearly see the tables. Here, statement A, journey in an aircraft. Here, there is a talk about journey. In statement H, you can see, my flight to New York has very long and tiring. It shows that the person is trying to give the description of his journey. So, the option with A should be H. Now let's check out the options given up below with the same context. We have option number 1 and option number 5. Let's check out the other meanings. Here, the most easy option available is C, escape. Now you can clearly see that in option number E, the children took the flight when they saw the teacher coming towards them. It means the children are trying to escape from the teacher, thus giving us the option number 5 as the correct answer, because C along with E is only available in option number 5. Thus, our answer is option number 5. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the word given at the top of each table, match the dictionary definitions on the left A, B, C, D with their corresponding usage on the right E, F, G, H. Out of the 5 possibilities given in the boxes below the table, select the one that has all the definitions and their usage closely matched. And the question is, bleed. Now let's check the definitions according to the usage. Statement A is to lose blood. It correlates with the sentence G, which is when Sita tried to stop the bleeding by covering her finger with the cloth, it got all bloody. Here, Sita is losing blood. So, G is the correct option. Now, the options that have the similar matches are 1 and 4. Let's try to find out another sentence. B, to run or become diffused. Here, the statement that matches is H. It bled when washed. Here, the word bled means to run or become diffused. Option number 1 here is the correct answer, as it has all the matches according to the configuration required. Here, C will relate to F, which is the parents bleed for their deceased son. Here, the word bleed means to feel pity or anguish. Similarly, D matches with E, which says the parents bled heavily for the recovery of their child. Here, the recovery of the child needed payment or money. Here, they bled as to make someone pay money. So, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the word given at the top of each table, match the dictionary definitions on the left A, B, C, D with their corresponding usage on the right E, F, G, H. Out of the 5 possibilities given in the boxes below the table, select the one that has all the definitions and their usage closely matched. And the question is, course. Here, in option number 1, direction. Now, here we are looking at the course of direction. So, the correct option would be G. Following the course of the river, we reached our destination. Here, the person is trying to follow the direction by the course of the river. So, the correct option for option number A is G. Now, in option number 3 and option number A along with G is matched. Now, let's look at the other options. With option number B, progression. Here, in option number E, you may find many soldiers died in the course of the battle. Here, soldiers have died in the progression of the battle. So, the correct matching of option E would be B. Here, the only option available is option number 3. So, the correct answer is 3. But let's look at the other options. In C, prescribed series. Here you may find that prescription is usually come in context with the medical terms. It is done with the F option. The cure was a long course of medical treatment. So we grant C with the option number F. In D, the person is trying to talk about meal, and option number H is the first course was the best of all. Here, the first course defines the meal. So, D is matched with H. And our correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.